Unicpapel teaches what it shows. These are some example learn sheet and worksheet for the following video. All the topic related links are shared in the description box for free download. Now let's get into the video.
Hello, I am a mermaid. This is my sea. It's all about sea creatures today. And I have amazing facts to share with you all. What are you waiting for? Let's start. Starfish. Starfish can regenerate their own arm. Starfish. Turtle. Turtle have excellent sense of direction. Turtle. Jellyfish. Jellyfish don't have a brain, blood, bones or a heart. Jellyfish. Octopus. Octopus has 8 legs. Octopus. Squid. Squid has 10 legs. Squid. Seahorse. Seahorse is a tiny fish that swims upright all the time. Seahorse. Sea cow. Sea cow favorite food is seaweed. Sea cow. Sea elephant. Sea elephant can hold their breath for over 100 minutes. Sea elephant. Sea lion. Sea lion walk with their large flippers on land and their ears are visible. Sea lion. Seal. Seal walk on their belly on land and don't have visible ear flaps. Seal. Walrus. The tusk and the stiff whiskers make it distinguishable from sea lions. Walrus. Dolphin. A highly intelligent animal with a pointy nose. Dolphin. Orca. The largest of the dolphin family. Actually, orcas are killer whales. Orca. Blue whale. Blue whale is a marine mammal and known as the largest animal on earth. Blue whale. Humpback whale. Humpback whale has distinctive body shape with a knobby head. Humpback whale. Shark. Shark is known for its sharp teeth and has no bones in the body. Shark. Manta ray. Manta ray is a very sensitive to human touch. Manta ray. Crab. Crab moves in sideways. It uses its front 2 claws as weapon. Crab. Lobster. Lobster have long bodies with muscular tails and burrows on the seafloor. Lobster. Shrimp. A tiny sea creature with a long tail. Shrimp. Mussel. Mussel has a darker blue or black shell which is shiny and oblong in shape. Mussel. Oyster. Oyster make the most pearls compared to mussel and clams. Oyster. Fishes. There are many hundred species of fishes in the sea. Now tell me, who will feed all the sea animals to grow? There is a marine food chain. Small plants will grow with the sunshine. Plants are eaten by shrimp-like creatures. Shrimp are eaten by small fish. And bigger fish eat the small fish. This is our food chain of sea or ocean. Now you all know the sea animals and food chain, right? Keep practicing. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching Unicpapel. Be sure to subscribe and like our videos.